teach them how to easily get in and out of bed, how to prep a meal, how to get into a typical shower, use a bathroom, sink.
It's a stage. It's a play.
Exactly. So a lot of buildings will have completely not even functional. They'll have laundry facilities, gym, the sink might not even have water concept. But here, since again, we're all new construction, it was very minimal to just get everything 100% functional. And again, it's definitely a matter of function. So.
You see, we found something that's wrong. This is the condensers. They made us put this hood up, the engineers, this thing on top, so the ear doesn't blow. You see, the
Directly
ear,
into
the
the-
hot ear is going to blow up on top.